If you don't like it, change it.
Covers your hair, your weight, your eye color, your mood, your boyfriend, your girlfriend.
Alright, look, I don't think this is gonna work out because first off, you're a dude, and secondly, you're a dog.
Your job, your education, your location.
It's in the 40s, it's too cold, it's time to go.
Your financial status, the slump you're currently in, and especially your art. If you want something you have never had, then you have to do something you've never done. The beautiful thing about the creative process is that it encourages change. Your art is your own personal story being told through the creative process. As your story continues to change, your art should follow suit. Think about that for a second. About this time each year, they announce the Pantone color for the following year. Is it a new color per se? No. Just the predicted new hot color based on current trends. Trends don't stay the same, they change. You are the master of your own destiny. Stop being afraid to change the things you don't like about your art. Sit with it for a while. Analyze what it is that you like or possibly love, and what it is that you could change to improve the way you feel about it. It's perfectly okay to pursue a new direction. Your art is supposed to ignite a passion within you. If you don't feel that way when you create, then change the way you create. Take these panels for example. These were the last in my pouring series. They were poured, varnished, photographed, taken to a show, and hung. None of them sold. Do you know why? I painted them without passion, without emotion, without allowing the art to flow from within me, because all I wanted was to fill space on the walls in the booth. They had no soul. They were just blobs of color on the panel, and they were completely uninspiring. Now you guys know I love aqua and I love blue, my favorite colors. But these were not the right colors, and they were not finished well because my heart was not in the process when I created them. Rather than let them collect dust, I decided to change them. Look what I have now. I love these panels. I'm super excited to share these panels with you guys. I have more projects with the paper and inks and resins planned for the coming weeks. And I will share more thoughts with you on change later on. For now, I have to change a bunch of these panels I'm not happy with and get on down the road. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see us paint next, or let us know what you're working on to change your art path. And don't forget to subscribe so that you get notifications every time we put out a video. Let Sace know if you're enjoying the new style of editing. Thanks for watching.